How to add PayPal donation button to YouTube channel full guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can add your PayPal button into your YouTube channel. So to do this, it's really simple and easy. You're going to open up your YouTube studio in one channel and your PayPal in one channel. Now to do this, you're going to go over here. You're going to click on pay and get paid, and you're going to create a paypal.me for yourself. And once you go into paypal.me, you're going to go on create paypal.me profile. You can add a photo for yourself in your paypal.me if you want to. Let's say I am going to go with a random picture of myself. Let's say I'm just going to add this random photo. Okay, we're going to click on save. Okay, because this same photo is on my YouTube, and then I'm going to add my YouTube name, for example, John Tech. Okay, I'm going to call it that. And once we call it John Tech, just add some numbers into it if you want to, and click on next. And here it's going to say that your paypal.me is going to be created. And once you've created that, you're going to take the URL for your paypal.me, go to your customization, basic info tab, and down here in channel URL, you're going to see add links, and link title, you're just going to write PayPal over here. And once you write PayPal over here, you're going to add the paypal.me URL, and that is how you're going to add your PayPal button to your YouTube channel. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.